Good morning. This is going to be a really short video on how to install mum nets. These are available from mumnets.com. We use them to keep the larger mums from breaking as they grow, and you put them on before they flower, and it kind of holds it all together. It's just a really thin monofilament line. They work great, super simple to install. You start by stretching it out over the top of the mum, get it centered, and then just kind of divide it out. I usually hook one side around. Same thing on the other side. And then you just kind of start in the middle and just kind of stretch it out over these. Now you don't want to pull so tight that you're breaking the plant, but you want to make sure that it's secure and kind of hidden down in the plant a little bit. And you just kind of work your way around, hook it up underneath there. Super simple. Just want to get it kind of centered, and any of the extra, if it's a little big, you want to tuck your ends up underneath. But that's all there is to it right there. All installed.